Going to give you the quick review of whatever we have studied up till now from July till September. Okay, beta? Now, firstly, the syllabus of July. This is the chapter which you have studied in the month of July. That is the life and life living things. Okay, beta? Life. This is the chapter for the biology. You completed this chapter in your biology copy, right? Uh, Firstly, you should know what is the difference between living thing and non-living thing. You all know that living thing have certain characteristics because of which you can identify whether it is a living thing or a non-living thing. That characteristic are known as life processes. Acha. After that, you have seven life processes. Number one, feed. Number two, grow. Number three, excretion. Number four, move. Number five, response. Number six, reproduce. And number seven, respirate. Okay, we studied about these life processes. Feed means all the living things will eat, all the living things will grow, all the living things excrete their waste material from the body. All the living things move from one place to another, or if we talk about the plants, they don't move from one place to another, but it will move towards the sun or towards the water. Respond, all the living thing will respond like that if touch five sense organs which are present in the animals. And in plant, if you touch, there is some plants which will close their leaves, so it will respond. Reproduce means they produce their young ones, and respirate means taking in oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. Okay, after that we will study about the smallest unit of the body, that is called a cell. There are two types of organism, that are the unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular are those which consist of a single cell. Multicellular are those which consist of more than one cell. We will see the microorganism with the help of that of the microscope. There are two types of microscope, light microscope and electron microscope. What is the difference between them? In light microscope, light is used to illustrate a substance. In electron microscope, electrons are used to illustrate anything. Okay. Afterwards, after that, we had talk about the animal cell and plant cell. What is the difference between them? Some things are present in both of them, like that of the cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, which are present in both plant and animal cell. But some additional things are also present in plant cell. That is the cell wall, large vacuole, and green cytoplasm. You know that green coloring matter which is present in the plant, due to which it is of green color, in which the process of photosynthesis takes place and plant make their own food. Afterwards, there are certain cells which have a different function: nerve cell, epithelial cell, pollen grain, red blood cell, nerve cell of the brain, epithelial cell of the layer which is present on their skin, pollen grain of plant, and red blood cell which is present in our blood. After that, we will talk about the cell, tissue, and organ. The smallest unit of the body is cell. Then many cells combine together, they form tissue, and when tissues combine together, they form organ, like that of the organ system, which are different types of organs. And these organs, when many organs combine together, they form organ system. This is the chapter which we have completed in the month of July. About the syllabus of August. Energy resources is a chapter. This is the chapter of physics which you had already completed in the physics copy. Okay, different types of fuels are used for burning, for producing energy, like that of wood and charcoal, coal and coke, natural gas, liquefied petroleum gas, and oil products. How energy is released? When the bond between the molecule break down, energy is released. Fossil fuel, there are certain types of fossil fuel: coal, oil, and natural gas. Coal, oil, and natural gas. Coal is formed by the decayed plants. Oil and natural gas, they are formed in the rocks. Rocks due to, when the pressure increases, the oil is released from them. From the microscopic plant and animal, oil is released, and the natural gas, which is less denser than that of the oil, which is collected above the oil. After that, there are certain side effects of the fossil fuel, use of the fossil fuel, that is acid rain due to different types of acid which is fall down on the earth, which cause damage to the earth, plants and animals. Global warming, when greenhouse effect is increased, global warming takes place. Greenhouse effect, global warming, this is the global warming effect. Greenhouse effect increase due to the increase of the layer of the greenhouse gases, that is main gas is that of the carbon dioxide, methane gas. The side effects of these global warming are ice cap to melt, sea level to rise, weather pattern to change, more flooding in low layer part of the world, layering large desert, more droughts, crops which grow well in some areas to grow less well. The spread of disease carrying insect like mosquito which live in warm areas. Till here we have completed in the month of August. September, we covered the chapter particles. They are, first of all, you should know what is matter. Anything which have mass and occupies space is called as matter. There are three types of matter: solid, liquid and gas. What is the difference between them? Solid, whose molecules are closely packed, they are tightly packed with each other, have a well-defined shape and volume. Liquid do not have a well-defined shape, but it have a well-defined volume. Gas do not have a well-defined shape, do not have a well-defined volume. Okay, and this is the state changes that ice will convert into the liquid in the form of water, and when it is heated it will convert into steam. The particle model of solid, liquid and gas, that all the molecules are consisting of all the matter consisting of many small particles, that is called as atom. When atom combine together they form molecules. Okay, which I already told that the particles of molecules of the solid are tightly packed with each other, so they just show the to and fro motion. In the liquid they will flow a little bit, but in the gas a particle will move too fast from each other. Diffusion, one substance spreading through another is called diffusion. Example, ink is spreading in that of the water. This is the example of diffusion. This is the experiment which you conducted related to that the small molecule settle them between that of the large molecules. Expansion and contraction normally takes place in solid, liquid and gases. On heating it will expand, on cooling it will take its own size again. Pressure in gases, the pressure which is generated by that of the air, which inflate or fill up the balloon. We fill the balloon because of the pressure of the gases. They are example of the tire also. And in the aircraft there is another, in aircraft there is the pressure chambers are made because the pressure is lower at the height. Air pressure is low at the height, and this is the barometer which is used to measure air pressure. The collapsing can experiment. What is this? You have a can. When the outer and the inner pressure of air is equivalent, so the can do not collapse. But if you take up the air from the container, it will collapse. When you vacuum the container, it will collapse. Okay, now this is the work which you have to do. You will see this box, the words are placed over here. This is related to that of the microscope, and put what the work it will be done by the part of that microscope. This is another thing. You will read the question, fill the gap in the sentence below, use word from the box. You may need to use some word more than once. ठीक है बेटा, and related to this you will fill in the blanks. Thank you.